Hello, this is Tamara Evans, Digital Services Librarian at the Kings County Library. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use your computer to record reading hours through the library's online Beanstack website, which we're using for our Spring Into Reading online challenge. To begin, you want to go to the library's website, which is located at kingscountylibrary.org. Next, you're going to scroll through our website sliders until you locate the slider titled Spring Into Reading and then click on the photo. From here, you'll find out more details about our Spring Into Reading online Beanstack challenge. You'll also see that the library's Beanstack website is shown on the page and is also located at kingscountylibrary.beanstack.org. So now we're going to click on that web link. Notice that when you click on the web link, it will open up the website in a separate tab. From here, you can sign into your account, or if you haven't created an account yet, you'll scroll down to where it has options to create an account. And you'd want to refer to the previous tutorial I did on how to create a Beanstack account for both individuals as well as adults with children. So, to sign into my Beanstack account, I'm going to click the sign in button located here in the top right side of the screen, and then type in email address, and then password. After I've typed in those two pieces of information, then I'll click the sign in button like so, which will then take me to the Beanstack challenge homepage. I'll be able to tell I successfully was able to log into my account because my name shows up in the top right like so. So if I'm wanting to log in reading hours for the challenge, I'm going to scroll across the screen to the top left here where it says log reading and then click the green button. As you can see, it gives me options. Do I want to log for the adult whose name is Jane, or do I want to log for the child, which is John? So let's say for this tutorial I wanted to log reading hours for John, the child. I'm going to click the name of the reader, and then I'm going to click here where it says log minutes. So as you can see here, it shows that anytime I type in will be listed to John's profile, and then I can select a day. So we'll say that he read books today, so the 24th, and I'll scroll down, and then as you can see, it says time spent reading, so I'll say that John spent 30 minutes. And as you can see, it actually shows the different ways in which they want you to type in your time. So we'll say 30 minutes, so 30M. And then title, we'll say he read eggs and ham. And then the author. And as you can see here, oddly enough, when I typed in the title, it brought up different covers of the book. So I'll just click this one here, and then it automatically puts the author. And then it provides the option for me to include a review or not. So if I decide I want to include a review, then I could press yes, and it would provide an option to type a review, or if not, I could just press no. So the good thing if you want to include a review is that can help the library in reference to books that we may purchase in the future. And then once I type in that information, I'll just press log. And so now it shows that those minutes have been added to his account. So then when I'm done, I want to just press the X right here. And then if I wanted to see his progress, let me click change from Jane to John. And then I can look on the reading log to make sure that his hours have been correctly shown, like so. And then once I'm done logging in the reading minutes for both the adult or the child, I can go to this gear right here in the top right, click on it, and then I can click the button to sign out of the Beanstack accounts. This concludes the tutorial on how to log into the Beanstack website online to log reading hours. If you would like to see more tutorials similar to this one, please make sure that you like the Kings County Library Facebook page and subscribe to the Kings County Library YouTube channel for more tutorials similar to this one. Thank you and have a good day.